Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video. I still Muhammad Self Chunko Bilago, and in today's video I want to share with you guys about the binary trading class. Okay, the class starts by 26th of October, but you can sign up. It's a 2 weeks training on the basics of binary trading. Like if you're done with this training, you should be able to trade by yourself. Okay, but if you want to improve your success rate, you also you need signals, which we also offer as a service. All right, so but for you to learn the basics, even for you to learn the advanced, you need to know the basics. All right. So for you to know the basics and you don't have funds for the basics, you don't have funds for the advanced class, you can sign up for the basic class. Okay. The basic class is 5,000 naira or $13. You can pay with TST, TMT. You can pay with cash, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Okay, so if you are interested, my contact information is in the description below. Contact me, chat me up, and sign up for your class. Okay, the deadline for the class, for the registration of the class, is still on the 26th of October. After 26th of October, we will not take new students. Okay, for October. Rather, we will take students for November after the registration ends on the 26th. Okay, so if you want to learn how to make money with your smartphone, take action by registering for binary trading class. All right. I also have very educational videos coming up on the difference between binary trading and forex trading. But to then sign up for this class, and you will be added to the online class on WhatsApp. Okay. For those who are asking about how the training will be done, the training is done. Information about the training. The training is done through WhatsApp, but your videos will be prepared for you. Microsoft Word documents will be prepared for you and shared to you directly on WhatsApp. And also you can ask questions. Most importantly is that we have an after service um, program called binary trading mentorship. So what it means is that after the training, you can undergo mentorship where some signals will be shared to you on a daily basis, but not compared to when you sign up for a signal program. But the most important thing is that you can start trading with the aid of binary trading mentorship program that we have, and you can always ask questions anytime on the mentorship program. Okay, and it's free. The mentorship program is free. All right. So guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and until I see you guys next time, take care. Bye for now. Bye for now. And most importantly, register for this October class. All right. Take care. See you guys later.